Don't worry about that one. So
Okay.
let's do the first one and we'll see how this goes.
Yo, Marco, a glutton for punishment you are. You're back again for another stream with Adam and Patrick. Oh, I feel so bad for you. So I got two questions. Hopefully the guys allow this. First question is, I am learning so much from you and Alberto. You are on a tear recently, releasing a new version of your book, more articles on SQLBI.com. You are doing awesome work, and everyone in the community is learning from you. Who do you learn from? It's amazing the knowledge that you and Alberto have, and I can't think of anybody who has more knowledge than you two when it comes to DAX. So how do you find inspiration, and how do you find things to learn about, and who teaches you stuff? That was question number one.
It's a great question.
Yeah, this is a great question. Who teaches us DAX? Nobody. So we have to dig deeper into the product. We spend time whenever there is a new feature. We spend time studying, investing time in trying all the possible uses of the feature in DAX. We are lucky enough to know some people in the development team, so we can actually ask to some engineer what they were thinking when they designed the feature, for example. And they are very nice to reply us to. And this way we build up our knowledge that then we try to share. And in the past, before working with DAX, I also worked with the MDX analysis services since the first release, which was called OLAP service. But I have also a background in developing programs with C++, C Sharp, Delphi, Pascal, and many other languages. And I also work with relational databases before moving into the business intelligence world. So at the end, I cover many technologies that are behind the DAX engine and other things that could be involved. And this probably helps me when there is a problem. I think like a developer, and I try to debug the code, and I find the problem or what is causing the problem without asking to the engineer sometime because of this background. And that's, but we spend a lot of time actually learning stuff by digging.
Yeah, I would say that's the same for Patrick and I as well. And that's always, the biggest thing I could give you is like, try it, like what to do, compare it, try different functions, see what the behavior is. So Patrick, what do you think?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, the only way to know or learn is to get in and do it. That's
I've been that way my whole life.
Yeah.
I've got to do it.